welcome back to Geek and Son. Guess what we're doing today? Yeah, we're gonna swap out the doors. Check it out. I just got these brand new doors from where? AMD. Let's take a look. This one's the driver's side door. Looks pretty fancy. Uh-oh, I think they gave us the wrong one. It's made of plastic. No. I'll do the unboxing here in a second. So what I'm gonna do, just to be sure that it lines up correctly before I finalize this, I'm gonna put the spare doors on, the real, what's gonna be on for the final door. Now, this door looks fine, but it's got a lot of mud on it and had some rust repair, and yeah, I may use it still, we'll see. If I don't like these, I can always sell them. You guys looking for some doors? Let me know. In fact, these will probably be for sale. When I paint the car, I'm gonna make them into General Lee doors. I'll probably keep one hanging on the wall, but I've got 4 doors. Total of 6, 5 plus 1 doors. I'm only gonna use the brand new ones, and I'm gonna use the guts out of probably these 2, and I've got 2 more in storage. But that's what we're gonna be doing today, putting on these AMD doors and seeing how the gaps look before I finalize this stuff. Remember the big mess I made? Yeah, it's fixed. But I don't want to finalize the side until I got the door hung. And don't forget, the shell is not quite as heavy as with all the guts in it, so you got to take that into account. Maybe I'll even put a weight in it, so it weighs about the same. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Here we go. I need a flashlight. Of course, I got 75 of them. Can't find one. There's a dead one. I can't believe I can't find one flashlight out of all these flashlights. That's kind of comical. Somebody's got to do a better job at organizing my tools. What I want to see is what bolts are on it to take it off, because I don't remember. I think it's going to be 1/2 inch, possibly 9/16. Let's look. And that just lines up perfectly. I kind of want to use this door. It lines up so good. And maybe I will. Stay. It's hitting it. Jack. Alright. Now I remember when I took these off before, it was a 2-person job to hang them. I had my son help me hang them again. So, I can take them off myself, no problem. I should probably get maybe like a scale out here and weigh them with all the guts in it and then the shell by itself. I'll bet you it adds another 15 pounds to the door though. Here, come and take a look. Here are the hinges, and these are the bolts. 3 bolts and 2 bolts. And those look like 9/16 maybe. I better go check. Well, actually that extended one can't get in. But don't lose these bolts or you're not putting it back on until you find them. I'm gonna need a shorter one. This is gonna not work. If I was smart, I would keep all this together. You can also use this to adjust the door, but not much. And I like to leave the hinges on the car, not on the door. I think that way you can get a little closer. Although you could probably get them pretty close. Alright, last bolt. Hold on to her. She came off. It's the official. Whoa. Door Mover 1000. So, there we go. Isn't that beautiful? Here we go. It's the unboxing, unveiling. Now it's on the cardboard box. I don't think I'm putting it on the cement. Check it out. How about that? That is beautiful. Okay. Brand new door. Yes. Good news. It is a lot lighter than the other door. So make sure you're aware of that. And it's not going to latch because there's no guts. Check it out. Brand new. So let's verify that there's a place to put these bolts. Pretty sure there are. No scratch. No dent. Best way to check it, take one of the bolts. Stick it in there. Yeah. Beautiful. So I'm gonna have to stick that one up there, get it in there, get one in there, get one in the bottom. Again, this is not for permanently, but just to see. All I gotta do is get a couple beats on it because it is pretty light. But I don't want to dent it either. Be careful. Now, why in the world am I doing this, putting this on? Because I want to verify that it lines up before I permanently put this thingy on. Maybe I will use the real ones. If it was lowered, the lines would definitely line up. If it had a little bit more. That is snobby, right? Take a look. It's not perfect, but that's a lot better than it was a second ago. Body line matches up, etc., etc. I think I'm going to call it right now. I'm going to call it a day for now because I'm tired of doing this. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for part 2 coming out soon. Bye-bye.